Om Sri Sairam. Dear children, heartily welcome to Sri Satyasai Lokaseva Gurukulam online video classes. In this session, we see how can you find the distance of a point from a line. In previous session, we see that one important formula. What is the distance between the point and the line? In this session, we some particular problems. Okay, let us start. Distance of a given point from a given line and some related problems. We know that suppose the point P x1 y1 here, any point, and the line equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 here, then how can you write this one? This you take pm. We know that pm is nothing but magnitude of ax1 plus by1 plus c dividing by root of a square plus b square. Okay, this is the distance of a point x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So let us start the problems. Observe here. Find the perpendicular distance. That is called perpendicular distance. What is this figure? This figure like this. The point P here given 2, 3. Okay. And the line equation is given 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Correct. Now, see here, point is given and line is given. What is point here? 2, 3. Line equation, that is here, line equation is 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Here x1 equal to, you have to compare here, the 2, x1 is nothing but how much? 2, y1 is nothing but 3, capital A is nothing but, compare this line equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to 4. So what is the formula? D is nothing but distance between point and line. Mention here D. No need to take pm because I not give any p and m there. Use the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c dividing by root of a square plus b square. Set to the values. D equal to square root mod of, what is a? A is nothing but 3, b is nothing but, x1 is nothing but 2 plus b is nothing but 2, y1 is nothing but 3 plus c is nothing but 4, whole dividing by root of a square plus b square, means 3 square is 9 plus 4. Simplification. What happened here? D equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 4 dividing by root of 9 plus 4 is 13. The final answer is, remove the mod. Here is positive. 6 plus 6 12 plus 4 is 16 by root 13. This is the distance between a point 2, 3 and the line 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, let us see another method, very shortcut method. This is, we have to write x1 and a, b, c. The shortcut method is same problem. Directly you write D equal to equation. What is the given equation without taking RHS? 3x plus 2y plus 4 you write here, dividing by root of, coefficient of x is nothing but 3, 3 square is 9, coefficient of y is nothing but 2, 2 square is 4. Okay, D equal to, instead of x you write the point here. This is x and y. That is nothing but x1 and 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 by root of 13. Same answer. This is equal to 16 dividing by root of 13. Very simple. You can use this method also. Direct letter equation. Coefficient of x square means ax square plus coefficient of y is nothing but here b, no, b square dividing by, instead of x write what is given their point. So 2 and 3, then solve. Okay. Let's see next problem. See what is given here. Find the points on axis of y. See, any point lies on y-axis in the form, always if you take any point in, I take point B here on the y-axis 0, y form. Means x coordinate 0, y something. And what is given here? Whose perpendicular distance from the straight line? This point is perpendicular. This line. Perpendicular. What is line equation? 4x plus 3y equal to 12. How much length? Perpendicular length is how much? 4. You take here B, here take P. So BP is nothing but given 4. Means you draw like figure like this. I think this is 0, y. Same figure I can draw like this. If you get confused here, this is given 4 here. I take B here, here P. Line equation is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Then you have to find the, actual question is, find the points on the axis of y. means any point lies on y-axis in the form 0, y. So you have to find the y values. Whose perpendicular? That point is perpendicular from the line, from the straight line 4x plus 3y. So minus 12 equal to 0 is 4. 4 is given here. So see the figure. I can write any point lie on y-axis is 0, y. Right, y values 0, y. Therefore, so from the figure, the point 0, y and the line is given here. See the figure. Therefore, PB equal to, from the figure PB, you see PB or BP equal to mod of, formula we know that. Don't use the formula, direct write the equation. What is equation here? 4x plus 3y minus 12 dividing by square root of 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Okay, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. This is minus 12. PB is nothing but length of perpendicular is given here. How much? 4. This is 4 equal to 4 into, what is x? This is x, this is y actually. X and y. This point is x, this point is y. You know theorem. X is 0 plus 3. Y is nothing but y. We take y, there. Your intention is to find the value of y. It is point on y-axis. This is root of 25. Correct. 16 plus 9 is 25. Simplification, 4 is equal to, so 4 into 0, this becomes 0, 3y minus 12 dividing by 5 is remaining. See, observe here, suppose you have to remove the mod. If you have to remove the mod, this becomes plus or minus 4. Y may be negative or positive. Y may be on the positive direction of y-axis, either negative direction of y-axis. Therefore, this can be written as, when you remove the mod, 3y minus 12 dividing by 5 is equal to plus or minus 4. So 3y minus 12 is equal to plus or minus 5 4s are 20. Take 12 that side. 3y is equal to plus or minus 20 plus 12. One time plus 12, another time is minus 20. 3y is equal to 20 plus 12. Erase this figure. Or one more is 3y is equal to minus 20 plus 12. What is the simplification? 3y is equal to 20 plus 12 is nothing but 32. Correct? Or 3y is equal to minus 8. Minus 8. 20 minus 20 plus 2 is minus 8. What is y equal to? 32 by 3. Or y equal to minus 8 by 3. Y equal to 30. Don't cancel 3. This is not 3 into 2. This is 32. 32 by 3 and y equal to minus 8 by 3. Therefore, the points on y-axis are, therefore, the points on y-axis are, there are 2 points. The first point is 0, 32 by 3, 0, 32 by 3, and second point is 0, minus 8 by 3. The point lies on y-axis. X coordinate is 0, y is 2 values. This is the point on which axis? Y-axis. When the line 4x plus 3y equal to 0, the perpendicular distance is 4 units. Okay, this is the problem. Let us start next one. This is very simple. Find the perpendicular distance from the origin is nothing but 0, 0 is given. Line equation given, 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0. Very simple, directly write d equal to, write the equation 3x plus 7y plus 14 dividing by root of coefficient of x, 3 square is 9 plus 7 square is 49. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 here. What happened? D equal to 3 into 0 plus 7 into 0 plus 14 dividing by root of 49, 58. Correct? 49 plus 9, 58. So d equal to this totally becomes 0. Here remaining 14 dividing by root of, remove the mod, 14 dividing by root of 58. So you know how can you factor the 58? If possible, you can solve the square root. Otherwise keep as it is. This is the distance between the points. Distance between the point origin and the line 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0. Very simple. You can directly use the equation in the mod. Put x and y values, you will get directly answer. Okay, so I give some homework assignment questions for you. I write directly line equation and point. You have to find a distance between point and line. 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. The point is 2 comma minus 3. Second, 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. The point is 0 comma minus 1. Third example, minus x plus y is equal to 1. The point is minus 1 comma minus 1. Fourth, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. The point is 1 by 2 comma 0. And the fifth one is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The point is a comma 0. Okay, these are for your homework or assignment questions you have to solve. I think you understand all the problems. That is depending on the formula length of perpendicular from the origin. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep watching. Jai Sai Ram.